Hello guys, welcome to my channel, The Information. Myself Sahid Inamdar. Today I am going to introduce you to a basic and easy to use engine, Scratch. Scratch is a block-based programming language which allows you to create games and animations. Further in this video, we will discuss few topics like how to use Scratch, how to create games or animations in Scratch, etc, etc. And finally, how to upload game or animation on Scratch. To use Scratch, you have to search Scratch or you can just download it in your PC. Once you have opened Scratch, you will see this type of interface. At the top, you will see 5 to 6 tabs, at, out of which the first one is Create tab. It will allow you to create games and animations. Second one is Explore tab, which will allow you to explore various types of games, animations, stories. You can change your recommendations by the arrow which is situated at the right side of the screen. Once you have clicked the arrow, you can see the three options. First one is trending, second is popular and recent, and through which you can change your recommendations. Third one is Ideas tab, which just give you some ideas by which you can create some games and all that stuff. And the fourth tab is About tab. This tab gives you information about the Scratch. Fifth tab is Search tab. This tab allows you to search, through which you can search games. And coming on to our second topic, how to create games or animations in Scratch. It's very simple. You have to just click the Create tab, and then you can see this interface. On the left, you can see bunch of options which have different types of uses in coding. First one is motion, second one is looks, third one is sound, fourth one is events, fifth one is control, sixth one is sensing, seventh one is operators, eighth one is variable, and the final is my block. My block allows you to create your own block. Basically, these are the code blocks by which you can create your game. You have to just drag the code and paste it. To start your coding, the main and the most used code block is when green flag click. The green flag is just the flag which allows you to start a game. So you can just code like when green flag click blah 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 xyz. You have to just drag and drop it here. That's very simple, and through which you can just code your game. It's very simple. In the middle, you can see the blank area, which is just for placing the blocks, and here you can write your code and you can start your coding. Okay, and the next, at the top you can see the three options. First one is code, which we have completed, and the second, costumes. Costumes is just a simple character skin and all that, through which you can just make or edit the character. You can see all the costumes which a characters have. And third one is sound. This is the sound of your character which you have enabled, and you can just edit it. Like we can just faster the sound, or like fade in, fade out, reverse, and all that. Like you can just change the name of your sound, or you can just add the sound from here. Like here, from here you can just record or upload from your PC, or just choose the sound which is given in the Scratch. Just go back, and the last on the right side you can see this blank area. This is the space where you can just operate the codes, and this is and which you can see the final result. Here you can just play the game, and then at the bottom you can just see the various options. Like first one is sprite. The sprite is just the character. We can just change the name of sprite, like I can name it cat. This is the positions, uh, and this is the x and y. This is the positions, like this is the coordinates which you have studied in the math class, and this is the size through which you can just enter the size you want, and you can just small or enlarge the character. So I will just change and show to you, and just like, and the direction, the 90-degree, it's in the 90-degree direction. You can just change all over it, and you can just change the direction of the cat. And this is the option, choose the sprite. This allows you to choose the sprite. First is choose the sprite. It will allow you to choose sprites from the game, from the website itself. It's given in the website. And the next is you can just create your own character. The next one is you can just upload any character which you have downloaded and it's in PC. You can just upload it. And the fifth one is backdrops. Backdrops are the background of your game or your project. You can just choose a backdrop which are already given. So I will choose this blue sky. Yeah. You can just see. And next one is paint. You can just paint it by yourself, and you can just upload it. And this one is you can upload it from your PC which you already downloaded. This is the second part, and the final, how to upload your Scratch project. For this you need to sign in the Scratch through your Scratch account. To make your Scratch account, it's very simple. You just make the Scratch accounts, and I will just load any file. You can, from this you can just load the file from your computer, or through this button you can just save the project to your computer. Edit, which will allow you to turn on the turbo mode. The few settings through which you can change the color, like high contrast, or you can just keep it like original language and all that stuff. So give me 1 second, I will just load a project from my computer. And this is the project which I have just loaded. And this is the button you can save to your computer and all that, and I have just saved. And to upload the game in Scratch, you have to sign in or join Scratch. So I will just sign in with my account CR17 Namdar, and you can just search some Scratch and play my games. Okay, just I will sign in. Okay, I'll just sign in the Scratch. Okay, so now from here you can just title your game. So I will title the game as XY shooting, and that's I have named the and you can just share it on the Scratch page, or you can just see the project page. So this is the project page. From here you can just edit the game, and this is the instructions to tell people how to use your project and everything, like what are the keys through which the like controls, and here you can just write like notes and credits, and like just through this button you can just see inside of any project, and you can just check its code, and everything, or you can just modify it. So let's go back to our project page. So you can just now share the project, and like, okay, now this project has been shared. So guys, this is the game which I've just uploaded. So here you can see the game bird shooting. So I have written some instruction how to use the game and given some credits, like it's the information studio. You can just check it on Scratch, and this is the game, and you can just maximize it and start by just clicking the green flag. You can just start the game, and in this game you can just kill the parrot like you can see this is the score which will increase, and after the music plays out you can game is over. So thanks for watching this video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.